Page 22 up on the housetop. 4/4 time, no sharps or flats anywhere that I can see, so we're only the white keys. Let's talk about it. I'm going to take it one hand at a time here. Starting with fourth finger on the G in the right hand. Put you in this position, except your thumb's going to have to cover a couple notes here. So you're not necessarily going to be in a nice 5-finger position. So it's here. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. Bring the thumb down. Leave the hand where it is, just the thumb. And that puts you in position for most of it. Let's go over to page 23, second line. You're here. These are staccatos. You can do the wrist staccato or finger, just pluck the note if you want. Just nice short staccatos. And again, you can't pluck with a thumb, you got to go up and down. But if you'd rather use the wrist, that's fine too. Third line down. You finish the first measure, lift up, it's a different phrase, so it's last line, staccato, and then here. Not bad, I hope. Left hand, bunch of half notes really. In this position, staying there, you got a few quarter notes. Over on page 23, second line, you got staccatos. However you play the staccato in the right hand, match it in the left. That's pretty much it for the left hand. Not going on. I don't know. Put the hands together. Let's see what happens. Here. That's pretty much. And then page 23, second line here. Now here, third line, first measure here. You have a rest in the left hand. Make sure that E in the right hand is by itself and then lift up before you go on. So you work it out. This is a happy song. Light, cheerful. You work it out eventually. It's got to be your cheerful, not my cheerful. So it depends on how fast you can control these notes. Don't play any faster than that. It's got to be accurate. That comes first. I'd like to do with you very slowly to double check the notes and the rhythms. Dynamic wise, there's not much going on here. Just make sure you bring out the melody, which is in the right hand. So I'm going to give us 4 counts. So go ahead and put your hands where they start. And here we go. 1, 2, ready, go. 4. 4.